Thank you for joining in, and I have another watercolor review for today. This is actually from a brand I've never heard of. So this is from Hippie Crafter. I have their watercolor paint set, which includes 36 different colors. It does say professional artist grade, and it includes one water pen. And there's a little bit more information here on the back, and they do sell watercolor paper as well as a few different other art supplies. So you have your basic black tin here with your little hook on the back and then the company logo off on the side. Then you have 4 large mixing wells up top there, and then this other section down bottom. So lots and lots of area to mix your colors there. And it just has this cover chart here with giving all the names of the colors, and then they're already opened there. And you can add more in between too if you wanted to, from a different set, which is always nice, or if you have a small brushes can fit in that space. And if you're new to watercolors, what I have here included in the set was the water brush pen. So you just take the cap off and then you're going to unscrew the middle. And then you're going to put the water inside, and it's really easy to use. And you just gently squeeze the plastic piece here where that barrel is. I am going to show all of the swatches right now and go over some of the names. And then I do have artwork in the end too as well. So we have grass green, some Viridian forest green, which is a dark green, cobalt and olive green. And then there are, let's see, like a little bit lighter pink and then a deeper one. So your magenta. There is a violet and a few different blues. So cobalt, royal blue, phthalo blue. Your standard colors here, and indigo too, which is nice. Some sets don't include indigo. And a few different yellows as well. So you have yellow, yellow orange, lemon. There is a cadmium yellow in here. A few golden and the yellow ochre. And some deeper reds, it's scarlet, vermilion, as well as a few other basics, your Prussian blue, turquoise, Prussian green, and your burnt sienna, burnt umber. And there is a black included in this kit too. And right up now, I'm going to paint some roses and some filler flowers. I'm going to be using the magenta, and then it is labeled a red, but it looks like a deeper pink. And we're going to use some of the golden yellow as well. So far I can tell that these are very easy to blend. The colors are definitely fun and vibrant. There's a lot to choose from. The flow is really good here, as you can see. When I normally paint my roses, I use a little bit more paint in the center, and then I just use the water and drag it out, creating those softer petals when you don't want a lot of detail. For the fillers, I'm going to start off with my yellow first, and then just feather it around, and then I am using a deeper shade of that forest green, and then I just let it bleed on through the little bits there, and you can paint your stems and your leaves, as well as a little bit in between. And I'm just mixing in some of the olive green as well, so you have your cool tone and your warm tone. It just gives a little bit more depth and variation there. And some bigger leaves down here on the bottom. And if I didn't mention it before, I didn't think I did, I'm using a size 8 round brush, and it's the Silver Black Velvet. So up here, I'm just going to create these little, really anywhere between, I'd say like 4 and 5 small petals here. And then I'm going to put some yellow in the middles, and then create some buds as fillers too. Overall, some of my final thoughts here. I think this is a really nice set for beginners. You certainly get a decent amount of colors here. So again, you get the 36, and then it comes with your case and a brush. I'm going to leave a discount code down below, as well as some other information. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.